Hey, thanks for coming back to this new slow life. I have a story to tell, and I wanted to show you what I get from my volunteer job. Volunteer once a week in a food kitchen. We cook a meal for 600 plus people, and then the second shift comes in and serves it. I am given a lot of stuff to process to take back to my kitchen that we are not using that will go to waste. So I want to show you my haul. It's huge, and I have great ideas for it. I got 4 red peppers. Look at those limes. I'm going to juice all of them. Kale. I am washing it, cutting it up, freezing part of it, and dehydrating part of it. Eggplant, roasting this for eggplant tacos tomorrow night because tonight is broccoli, gnocchi, red peppers in a sheet pan bake. And then the other half of this is going to be broccoli slaw. And then whatever's left over will move into the freezer. Just took out garlic out of the dehydrator. So I have to grind that up. What else do I have? I think that's it. And I'm burying myself in the kitchen because it's taking my mind off the fact that my stolen car was recovered. My first call yesterday morning was from the police, and my car has been found. So I've learned that not to have it impounded, that's a whole nother terrifying expense and time suck. And so I had the police stay there till I got there. Because I'm experienced with this, I had gloves, paper towels, and a spray to clean the car. I had AAA come and take care of one of the tires. The other tire was low, but I could fill that up. The most hysterical thing is that I had had the car, when the car was stolen, it was on empty, and I was going to get gas the day after it was stolen. They filled it up, but I think they filled it up with someone else's credit card because I found the credit card and a set of keys on the floor. So I had to drive with shattered glass, sitting in shattered glass. And now, because I'm a city girl and we don't have a garage, it's sitting in the grocery store parking garage. So I put it there last night because it's raining and it's all wet inside. And then I walked up there again and moved it to the other parking garage where it's going to sit all day. And then I'm going to go back and move it to the other one. And then on Monday, I will get to have that fun call with the insurance company. So what I've heard is there's 2 windows at an insurance company. One window is to take your premium. The second window is to deny your claim. So I'm expecting a lot of fun because I had to put $2,000 worth of tires on my car to even make it drivable. So bottom line, my car's back. And that makes me happy. But I have a whole week ahead of me of figuring out how to deal with it. And this, and this takes my mind off of all of it. And so that's what I'm leaning into. And I already made my bowl for the day. My bowl's already made for the day. You need to see my bowl videos. I have 2. little bit of leftover dressing. So I'm looking forward to that when it's lunchtime, a couple more hours. So here's what I'm doing. Here's my day. Life as a city girl, but I'm not working. And that's the upside of it all. Ciao for now.